Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Morning, Lucky Bird. Morning, Lucky Bird. Lucky Bird. Good morning. Hey, Georgie. Georgie Bird. For scratches? Georgie, scratches? Come on. Put your head down. Come on. Get scratches. Come on. Come on over. Come on. Oh my, Norma Jean, you're ringing your bell. You're ringing your bell. Ring your bell. Yeah. Yeah, ring that bell. Oh my. Oh, ring your bell. How about you, Nicky Bird? You're being all quiet. What's up, Nick? Hello? 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 You finger bite? Come on. Thank you. Good bird. Good bird. Lucky's doing big ones over there. Kylia. Kylia. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. You guys hungry, huh? I'll get your food. Yeah, okay. Good bird. Giving everybody their food and water, and I left Norma Jean's little side door open where her dishes are for about 1 minute. I go to get Lucky's water. Georgie's on his cage. Kylie's on her cage. I come back to Lucky's cage to put him in, and guess what I found when I walked up, and it startled me. Huh? You playing with Lucky stuff? Huh? Cookie. Lucky just hopped over onto her cage. So you want to go in her cage? Go ahead. Check it out. You think Luck's pretty cool, huh? You're in Norma's cage now. Oh, yeah. What do you think, Luck? You like that cage? Pretty cool, huh? What's up, Georgie? What's up? What's up, Georgie? What's up? Any scratches? Any scratches? Put your head down, Georgie. No, put your head down. Put your head down, you get scratches. No, put your head down. There you go. That's a good bird. Good bird. Good birdie. Ring your bell. What are you doing, Georgie?